this is the first time watching my video, you're welcome, and thank you for choosing this video because you chose this video because you want to make money online. So that's why I'm here. I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks in order for you to make money online in this year 2023. So I'll be showing you all the disadvantages and advantages of working online to earn money. Okay, so without wasting much of a time, just subscribe and let's go. So the first one that I will talk about is that if you want to make money online, you just have to be disciplined. Let me put it in that it's time consuming. You need to get time for it, because let's say you are a worker, you close from work around, you reach home around 4 o'clock, around 3 o'clock. Now the next thing is that you just have to also go online. If you are a YouTuber, if you are a blogger, you just have to also get some time for that online job that you are doing. So you just have to be disciplined, you just have to be consistent on your time. You have to make sure that, okay, from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock I'm just going to shoot my video, I'll edit it and publish it online, or I'll be writing my article, I'll be editing, and then I'll just post it on my website. So this requires you to be very disciplined. So for you to be able to establish yourself on this online business, you just have to be disciplined. This is the first thing that I'll talk about. The next thing that I'll talk about is that it's somehow stressful. It involves a lot of time, it's hard work, because when you were a beginner, when I was about to start my YouTube channel, I took a lot of time to learn. After work, I have to come learn a lot of things, how YouTube work, how does YouTube will pay you. You just have to take your time and learn all these things before you start any online business. If you want to become a YouTuber, you just have to make sure that you go by the YouTube rules and regulation or the community guidelines. You need to learn to understand them before you start, so that you won't be able to waste your time when you get time for monetization. And if you are a blogger and then you want to write anything, you have to make sure that you are giving your readers tangible information. Okay, you are giving them rare information so that they will always come back to read your article. So it's also very stressful to get unique and then interesting articles to come about. You have to go to online, you have to read, you have to always be updated with the latest news around the world. So this make it very stressful. Okay, so the next thing that I'll also talk about is that some of these online platform, that is affiliate marketing platform and then survey platform, some of these platforms are not genuine. Because for instance, I worked with one big company in Africa here, and I joined their program online and I was able to make some money, but up to date now they haven't paid me yet. So you just have to make sure that you read about any platform that you are going to start working there, so that you will be able to waste your time on that platform. Because when at times some of these platforms also use only paper, and as you know, Ghana, we don't have paper is not working here. So you might be working on this platform and then you'll be able to get a lot of money, but when it gets to time for them to pay you or for you to withdraw your money, they'll request for your PayPal account, and when you get that, you have wasted your time. So you just have to also make sure that the platform that you are going to work on is very genuine. Whenever you are online, you should have other jobs aside that you are doing, so that this one will be like a passive income for you. Then your main source of income will be there, and then you'll be getting this passive income in addition to your main source of income. So online business is very good, a very lucrative job, just that it's very stressful, but with hard work and determination you can do it. So that's what I have for you, all beginners who want to work online. See you in the next video. Bye bye.